Have you ever seen your C drive turn red? Windows then shows a warning that the disk is full. This also happened to me. As you can see, my C drive was completely red. Only 35 megabytes of free space was left. Do not worry. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to free space in the C drive, how to turn the red drive back to blue, and how to do this without installing any software. First, we will delete temporary files. Press Windows and R on the keyboard. Type temp and click OK. You will see many unnecessary files. Press Ctrl-A to select all files. Press Delete. If some files cannot be deleted, just click Skip. Now press Windows and R again. Type %temp% and click OK. Select all files and delete them. Skip the files that cannot be deleted. Press Windows and R again. Type prefetch and click OK. Allow access. Select all files and delete them. Now open this PC. In the search bar, type size:gigantic. If you see any very large file that you do not need, for example, old Windows files, delete them. In my case, I don't have any big file having occupied huge space. Now go to Settings, open System, then open Storage. Check the list of installed apps. If there is any app you do not use, uninstall it. For example, I had Python installed which I was no longer using. I just uninstalled it. Now open Command Prompt. Type this command, powercfg-h off. Press Enter. Now, if you look at C drive, you will see that some space has been freed. Now, go again to Settings. Select Custom Size. Set the initial size to 4096 and set the maximum size as shown on the screen. Click OK. Restart your system when asked. Now we will use Disk Cleanup. In the search bar, type Disk Cleanup. Select C drive and click OK. Select options like Recycle Bin, Temporary Files, and Thumbnails. Click Delete. Now press Windows and R again. Type %appdata% and click OK. First, open the local folder. Here, I noticed something important. There were folders of apps that I had already uninstalled. For example, Opera browser. Opera was not installed on my system, but Windows was still keeping its files here. Since I did not need it, I deleted the Opera software folder. Remember, only delete folders of apps that are not installed on your system. Now open the roaming folder. When I checked its properties, it was using about 32 gigabytes of space. Now I needed to see what was using so much space. Inside the roaming folder, sort the files by size in descending order. I found that the Wondershare folder was taking a lot of space. Open Wondershare, then open Filmora. Again, sort the files by size. Here, I found a folder called Recorded. When I checked its properties, it was about 18 gigabytes in size. Inside the Recorded folder, I found that Wondershare Filmora was saving a copy of every video that I had created. I kept only my latest videos. I selected all the older videos and deleted them. Now check the C drive again. You can see that about 18.4 gigabytes of unnecessary files have been deleted. The C drive is now blue again. The system is also faster. You can use the same method to clean your C drive safely. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment to tell me how much space you freed on your system. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.